first question we have here, which is our number one question, is that let's assume we have what? We have 2x equals to what? Equals to 8. Now, already we have what? Our base as what? As 2. And then we have our constant as what? As 8. Now, what we need to do here is that we need to look for a number that when you multiply 2 times, and when you raise 2 times, it will give you what? It will give you 8. When you multiply, when you raise 2 to the power of what? Of 3, you will get what? You will get 8. You will get 8. So what we do here is that we say 2 raised to power x equals to what? 2 raised to power what? Power 3. Power 3. Since the base are what? Are the same, we cancel out. We cancel out. Our x is what? Our x is what? Equals to 3. Our x is equals to